So by the way, good morning. I'm Stephanie and this is a English vlog. Hopefully this will be helpful to you to learn Aussie English. That's the plan anyway. Good morning, hello. I am about to go into the shops. I just went to the gym and had a really good gym session. Now I'm feeling a bit tired, but I feel really good. So I'm going to go into Kmart and I'll take you with me. I might go into Aldi. I'll see how I'm feeling. I also think I'm going to get a banana smoothie with some protein. I don't know how much it helps, but I'm going to go do that. So you can come with me. Let's go. So I've just put in my earbud, whatever these things are called. I'll see if the sound quality is any better. I'm going to buy a microphone, but I haven't got it yet. So this is it right now. So this is the best place to be able to park in Australia. Anywhere that has a little bit of shade, even if you have to walk a bit further. So this was a bit naughty. I got myself Baker's Delight. Not the best thing to get after the gym, but this is what I'm gonna have, and it's gonna be delicious. This is what I got: apple and walnut scroll. Good morning. So this is my tripod this morning, and I have just gone for a very short walk and run. I'm going to run just a little bit more. There are some people on the beach because I've come down a little bit later than I like to. The sun's already pretty up, but it's beautiful down here on the beach. It's not too hot this morning, so by now I would say it's at least maybe 20, I want to say 21 degrees with the humidity. The humidity is what makes it hot. I think it must be about 7 a.m. at the moment. So I'm going to run a little bit more. I've put my watch on and enjoy this stretch of beach, which I seem to have to myself. There were some people walking dogs up the beach. There was a guy fishing. There was at least one lady that was swimming. But I think she goes swimming every morning. She seems to jump in and then she jumps straight out. A quick swim. Who else did I see? I saw someone else with a dog who looked like he was thinking about going for a swim, but he didn't look committed, so I'm not sure. Anyway, it is lovely down here. I'm going to continue running at least just a little bit.
2 seconds later.
So I feel like I'm already done this morning. I haven't had a very long run, but I am ready to go back home. I want to get something to eat, and I've got lots of things to do, just little things. I need to clean my place, for example. So I'm going to go do that. So when I come down to the beach, I watch the tides, and what I mean is I look it up on just a website and I check what time the tide's in, what time it's out. So this morning, the high tide was at 3 something a.m. And so now it's coming in. Did I say that right? The low tide was at 3 something a.m. So now it's coming back in, and the high tide, which is going to get pretty high, 1.4 meters or something. So it's going to come in at about 10 a.m. So if I come now when it's close to 7 a.m, then it's pretty good, but I've got to watch for rogue waves, because the rogue waves come in pretty far and I have to run for it. See, those ones are coming in pretty far. So anyway, I'm going to keep walking / running on the beach, and I'll see you back at home. Hello, so I'm doing some laundry. I'm using this. I don't know if it's any good, but this is what I'm using. Laundry. Yeah, getting stuff done today. So I've been for my run on the beach. I've had a shower. I've just put on some laundry. And now I'm going to make myself something to eat for brekkie. So this is my brekkie this morning. I've got avo, I've got tomato, I've got cucumber. I'm about to cook an egg. This is going to be my breakfast, and I used this spray this morning. I would prefer to use olive oil, but that's what I've got at the moment. And I also have an orange juice. I've added just a tiny bit of salt and pepper, and I will flip it over. I heard someone describe this as easy over. I don't know if other people call it that, easy over. So this is my very simple but very yummy and delicious breakfast for this morning. So it's exciting times here. I'm just going to clean my house and I'm putting out my laundry. What else am I doing today? And then I'll try and edit this video. So I'll see how I go with that. I hope you're having a lovely day. Feel free to tell me in the comments below, what are you doing today? Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye.